Dive into Yenz Kitchen, your go-to spot for a tantalizing mix of Asian and fusion cuisine that's guaranteed to delight your taste buds. From heirloom family recipes to modern culinary twists, we're serving up an irresistible menu of content about the sizzle and heart of home cooking, foodie trails, and everything else under the sun that we can think of. Nestled in the vibrant southwest of Western Australia, Yenz Kitchen isn't just about the prep and cook. We are a trio bursting with stories to tell. Every video is a ticket to join our virtual feast, where we'll whisk you away on gastronomic tours, share the warmth of our kitchen, and sprinkle in some local Aussie flair. We're here to fuel your passion for flavors and feed your wanderlust with every upload. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that like button, smash subscribe, and ring the notification bell to become part of the Yenz Kitchen fam. Let's savor the world's wonders, one scrumptious dish at a time. Join our journey, and let's make magic in the kitchen. Remember, never stop exploring, always keep savoring, and let's make every meal an adventure.